Okay, Mario, once again, Thursday, September 18, 2025. I received the MOSFETs today, the ones that were missing from the previous delivery, and I'm about to install them on this board here. This is the Hirobo SRB Quark control board that I have been showing and talking about in some other videos, so you can look at those videos if you want to get the complete process of how I'm going about doing these things. Anyway, this is what it looks like, with this microscope. And what I want to show here is I want to show the traces here. As you can see, the traces are just fine here. There's a little bit of dirt here, maybe some residue there that can be cleaned up. But this is the one that was had the corner blown out. You can see the obvious heat discoloration here of the PC board, the fiberglass surface, but the traces are still good, which hopefully this repair will bring this back into life, and I don't have any other issues with the board. So you can also see that the this side right here, which has the 4 pins joint, is what would be the D. Where's my schematic here? Let's look at the schematic here. That would be the D, the drain side that goes to the motor connectors, or the motor connection. The source on the P channel is connected to the plus side, and then on the N channel the source is connected to the negative side or ground. So that's just the schematic for this after tracing, going about and finding out which side was positive, negative, which IC chips were N channel and P channel. So all that's in previous videos that I show. So if you want to find out how I did that, just go back and look at those things. You might be somebody that's a little more seasoned in board repair. I don't do this, as a business. I do this as a hobby. So if you have better tools, you may have better tools. You may have done this more times than I have, and you may have, like I said, better ways of approaching this. But I explain all my steps in the previous short and long videos. But this one right here, I just wanted to point out the drain is this side right here that's connected to each one of these 3 leads, which establish the 3-phase control system for the brushless motor. You can see each one of these MOSFETs, and these once again are the N-channel MOSFETs. So I'm about to clean this a little bit better and do those connections. Clean this, put a little bit of flux and a little bit of solder on these connections so they adhere better, with the chips once I install them. My next video, I'll show this hopefully working.